Hey, what's up, guys? So I've got a problem that I think I know what's wrong with it, but I don't know what's wrong with it. And I was gonna see if any of y'all know what's wrong with it. So anyways, I've got this 2003 F350. It's got the 6.0 diesel in it, and it's freaking cold out here. But anyways, I'll show y'all what it's doing. Just wait for it. That ain't gonna freaking do it. You serious? Ah, there she is. So, I'm looking in the wrong spot. So as you can see, I mean, it's coming off. I don't know how well you can see that, but I'm not going back under there. But it's running down. Hold on, let me shut this off. Anyway, so that's what it's doing, and hadn't really been able to see where it's coming from. But a couple things we've done to the truck. You know, we got the Garrett Stage 1 turbo done to it. It's got cold air intake. It has EGR delete, and it's got straight pipe. You know, I think it's a 5-inch turbo back exhaust. So I don't know. You know, could it be the fuel rail? I don't. Okay, we're good. So I don't know. I'm not a diesel mechanic, you know. I got no clue what's going on. I'm pretty about 99% sure it is diesel running down the back, because it just, you know, it bubbles when it hits the ground. And my note, like, it, you know, diesel feels oily. It feels like diesel. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, but I could be wrong. I could be lying to you. So I don't know. So if y'all got any clue what that is or how to fix that, let me know in the comments, please. Thank you.